welcome to DSR's pre-order sale. In the video la nammaloda favorite Dola sequence at pre-order special price just 599 plus shipping la paaka porum. Beautiful ana 8 sarees irukku, strictly single. So pudichirukna immediate book pannikonga. First color e romba alagana oru rama blue color with all over floral prints, kalamkari style floral prints irukku and sequence weaving irukku. From saree oda start la irundhu end varaikum, adhaadu blouse la irundhu pallu varaikum full sequence weaving with copper zari weaving border. Oru saree ku pallu and blouse open panni kaamikren. This is top side border. Top side vandu namakku oru 2-inch border irukku. This is blouse. Alagana floral booties potu sequence work irukkudiya blouse and printed pallu at just 599 mattumna. Romba classy ana color. B557 is the saree code. And next color adliye alagana or dark onion pink, very classy color. Or office wear illa daily wear use pandradhukallam romba arumiyana saree. Single pleat avum podlam, pleated avum katlam. Any climate, even in summer kuda indha material ella rombave comfortable ah irukum. And next one B555. This is bottom side border, reverse folding pannirukanga. Alagana oru green shade, romba stunning ah irukku. And next idu or onion pink tone na konjam or brown touch irukum, just at 599. And next one ஒரு bluish grey, teal blue அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். அழகான ஒரு blue shade, நம்ம indigo blueக்கு ஈக்குவலண்டான ஒரு கலர் at just 599 மட்டும்தான். And next அழகான ஒரு mustard brown, mustard yellowவும் கிடையாது brownவும் கிடையாது, ரெண்டுத்தோட fusion color, ரொம்ப அழகான ஒரு shade and very rare color. Even in Dolaல இந்த கலர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப rare. And last one அழகான peacock blue color, அதுலயும் metallic peacock blue, regular peacock blue இல்ல, ரொம்ப அழகான saree with very best price. Don't miss it.